Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will update how the situation at the moment in domestic airport before Christmas. So if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will update how the situation at the moment in domestic airport in arrival on 20 December 2021. I do update the situation in domestic arrival because there is one request from my viewers. They want to know how the real situation at the moment on arrival domestic airport. You see the sign left side? Yeah, I Gusti Ngurah Rai. Actually, I Gusti Ngurah Rai is the name from a general in Bali when the Second War. You see the statue at the front? Yeah, he is General of Bali, I Gusti Ngurah Rai. Okay guys, now we are inside the airport area. If I turn left at the front, that is the way to go to pick up time for international. But since the reopening, there is no one airplane landing in international airport. Okay guys, we continue driving and we will see together how the situation at the moment in arrival domestic airport. Yeah, in this area, look a bit quiet, isn't it? There is not so many cars in this area. You see left side? There is a temple in airport. Okay, now I will turn right to find a parking inside. And then I will take a walk until to the pickup point on arrival domestic. Yeah, you see right side? That is the big building for parking area domestic airport. Wow, it's look busy, isn't it? There is a lot of car parking. So yeah, I gonna say like we'll be busy today on arrival. From here, you can see there is some people waiting for a taxi or waiting for their driver. Okay, now we keep walking until to the pickup zone. It is quite busy, isn't it? Okay guys, before I reach the pickup point, and if you just find this channel, please subscribe, like, comment, also you can share this video. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali. Okay, we can see together from here there is a lot of people on arrival. So from parking area is around say like about 600 meter to the pickup zone point. Yeah, there is some people just arrived in Bali. It's quite busy, isn't it? There is a lot of people just arriving in Bali. That is good. Okay guys, now we reach the pickup zone on arrival domestic airport. Yeah, there is a lot of people today. Some people waiting for the customer, and also there is a lot of people just landing and going out from the airport to the parking area. You see? It's so busy, isn't it? That's really good because soonly there is a Christmas in Bali and New Year. Actually, there is a lot of tourists from international tourism. They come to Bali by Jakarta. So they fly from their country and then they fly to Jakarta and do quarantine in Jakarta. But now, for quarantine, if you come to Indonesia, must be 10 days. So you have like quarantine 10 days in the hotel in Jakarta. And then they do PCR test and then fly to Bali. You see, that is a tourist. Yeah, as I told you, there is a lot of tourists. They don't fly straight away to go to Bali, but they go to Jakarta first and then fly to Bali. For domestic tourists, if they want to come to Bali, must be already in vaccine. If they only have to one vaccine, so they have to do PCR test to come to Bali. But if they already full vaccine, so they can fly to Bali, just need rapid antigen. You see the tourist? Yeah, he waiting for his friend. You see, his friend is right there. As I told you, they fly to Jakarta and then to Bali. You see, it looks so busy, isn't it? There's a lot of people just arrive in domestic arrival. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Arrival Domestic Airport. If you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video and don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.